me here. Yep. Sorry about that. Just giving you a quick update because it is like raining like crazy. As you can hear it, it's like getting bad. Just letting you know about that. And so I gotta tell you, it's raining like crazy. Did a lot of walking. Yeah, that. And yeah, pretty much on the when I looked up the weather on the internet, it said it wasn't supposed to rain today. Sorry, but oops. But guess what? It's raining. So yeah, if is a hurricane hitting us? I'm not sure. It might. So yeah, leave your comments down below if you like this, and I'll see you next week. Bye.